In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add voiceover in Renderforest. If you already have a video project set up, you can add a clear, polished narration in just a few clicks. We'll walk through where to find the feature, how to prepare your text, and how to generate the voiceover so it matches your content. Start on the Renderforest homepage. From here, open projects to see your saved videos. Pick the video you want to work on and choose Edit to enter the editor. Inside the editor, look for the text-to-speech option. This is where you'll create the narration that Renderforest will synthesize. Click it to open the panel for typing your script. Type your text into the field provided. Keep sentences concise and conversational. Use punctuation to guide pacing. Commas for short pauses, periods for full stops, and ellipses for a longer pause if you want a dramatic beat. Spell out numbers and dates when clarity matters, and write abbreviations the way you want them pronounced. For example, write US with periods, or US depending on your preference. If a name or brand has a unique pronunciation, add a phonetic hint in parentheses. Choose a language that matches your script. Picking the correct language and regional variant helps the system pronounce words and place emphasis naturally. If your text mixes languages, consider simplifying or keeping each segment in the right language so the voice sounds consistent. Select a voice that fits your video's tone. Renderforest provides a range of voices, from friendly and warm to more formal. Think about your audience and the mood of the video. A product demo might benefit from a confident, neutral delivery, while an explainer can feel more welcoming with a softer voice. If you plan to use subtitles, a slightly slower voice can make on-screen reading easier. When everything looks good, click Generate. Renderforest will synthesize the narration and apply it to your project. Listen to the result and note any words that could sound smoother. You can return to the text, make small edits for pronunciation or timing, and generate again until it sounds right. Small tweaks, like adding a comma or breaking a long sentence, can make a big difference. Before you move on, read your script aloud once to catch awkward phrasing. Natural everyday wording tends to produce the most human-sounding results. Short paragraphs and clear section breaks also help the synthesizer pace each idea cleanly. That's it, your voiceover is now created with text-to-speech inside the editor. Thanks for watching and enjoy enhancing your videos with a professional-sounding narration.